I have never actually tried any wireless gaming mouse, and this is my first one, and the more I use it, the more I appreciate it. This is the Logitech G304 wireless gaming mouse, and let's see what it's all about. It's a budget-friendly mouse, doesn't cost you a lot, and is built quite well even though it's made from plastic only. And for the buttons, Logitech claims 10 million clicks, and that's more than enough. The scroll wheel is nice, you can feel the texture on it, which is a good thing. You will notice while playing FPS games, you can easily switch between your weapons. It doesn't feel flimsy at all. You also get forward and backward keys on the left side, and those feel clicky too. These are 2 extra buttons, so you can map them according to you. Now, due to that plastic build, it is very lightweight, which will help you in your gaming sessions, and it also makes it easier to carry it around. The mouse isn't too small or too big and is perfect for claw type or hybrid grip. My hands are not too big or too small, and palm grip isn't that comfortable for me while gaming, so I have to use the hybrid grip. I don't game a lot now. I sometimes play PUBG Lite or Call of Duty Black Ops 3, and this mouse does feel good. Plus, you can set up 5 different DPI profiles using the Logitech G Hub software and can cycle through them using the DPI button. Since this mouse comes with the hero sensor, it can go up to 12,000 DPI, which is a lot. The lowest you can choose is 200 DPI. I keep mine at 4,500 or 5,000 DPI. Now this mouse can be connected using the wireless receiver that comes inside it. There is no Bluetooth connectivity, which would have been great, but if they included the Bluetooth module, the cost would go up and the weight would slightly increase. But even if the weight increases a little bit, I wouldn't mind it. Anyways, this mouse is actually very responsive. It has 1 millisecond response time. It's able to switch between performance mode and normal mode automatically, which does help in increasing the battery life. Oh, and battery life is actually great on this one. You can get up to 250 hours of usage out of this, which means you can use this mouse continuously for 10.5 days. You can see how much battery is left in the Logitech software, which is a nice add-on. There isn't anything left to talk about this mouse. There are no RGB lights present, so you cannot make this glow in red. But one thing that is red is that subscribe button, which looks better when it's grey. So go ahead and press it. The only light present is used to indicate your DPI setting, and the only way you would know this is on or off is by looking under the mouse. This mouse is a solid choice for the price, and there are not too many bad things about this. In my opinion, the only con is the placement of the storage for the receiver. When you are trying to pull the receiver, the battery gets in the way. But overall, this was a good purchase, and if anyone of you is interested to buy it, I'll leave the link in the description box. That's enough for this video. Drop a like if you enjoyed it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and also turn on post notifications by pressing that bell icon. Till next time, this is Arshdeep here, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.